You want to learn internet marketing? Well, here's 7 best internet marketing courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Internet Marketing Strategies That Will Increase Your Sales by Udemy. This course teaches you to apply the different strategies to succeed in online marketing. Topics covered are: how to apply the internet marketing process, the internet marketing strategies that will increase your sales, creating an internet marketing strategy for your business. You will learn to develop and implement various strategies. You will learn to run campaigns. You will learn to use social media for promotion. You will learn about the investment strategy. You will learn to improve sales statistics. The course is for anyone wanting to learn the skill of internet marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Internet Marketing Mastery. The Complete Marketing Guide by Udemy. This course provides a step-by-step beginner's guide to succeed in internet marketing. Topics covered are: why internet marketing, 5 issues you'll face, use of keyword phrases for big traffic, effective social marketing campaigns, SEO link building, marketing research 101, optimize landing page, ways to impact customers, ways to become successful. You will learn the necessity of online marketing. You will be able to recognize the issues faced. You will be able to run successful social media campaigns. You will learn to increase sales at a faster rate. You will understand the tricks and tactics of growing business online. This course is for anyone wanting to launch an online business. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, 28 digital marketing courses in 1. Online Marketing for 2023 by Udemy. This course gives you a chance to learn the basics of online marketing. Topics covered are: marketing hacks, virality, publicity, Facebook marketing, LinkedIn marketing, marketing history, evolution, and fundamentals, Twitter marketing, SEO marketing, influencer marketing, YouTube marketing, online reputation management, press release, online review. You will learn about online marketing from basics to advanced. You will gain knowledge about history and evolution of marketing. You will learn the fundamentals of online marketing. You will learn social media marketing in detail. You will learn about various techniques that are needed for promotion. The course is for business owners and entrepreneurs. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Marketing in a Digital World by Coursera. The course shows you how new digital tools have changed the marketing practices. Topics covered are: how digital tools are changing product, how digital tools are changing promotion, how digital tools are changing placement, how digital tools are changing price. You will learn about modern digital tools changing marketing. You will learn about the active role of customers. You will be taught from the very basics. You will be able to understand the pricing policy. You will learn to promote your business. The course is for anyone wanting to learn new age marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Introduction to Social Media Marketing by Coursera. The course provides you a detailed guide to social media marketing. Topics covered are: the social media landscape, social media platforms overview, goals, and planning for success. Understand your audience, choose your social media channels. You will understand social media platforms and the roles they play. You will learn to choose the right social media platform. You will learn to create social media strategies. You will learn to target an audience. You will become an expert. The course is for anyone wanting to learn internet marketing, particularly social media marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, click on the I button. Sixth course, Marketing Through the Internet and Social Media by Allison, free course. This course will provide you the fundamentals of internet marketing. Topics covered are: internet marketing basics, SWOT analysis in marketing, marketing research, real-time marketing, brand management, Social Media Part 1, Social Media Part 2, SEO Basics, Website Characteristics, Capturing Leads, Campaign Characteristics, Social Media in the Workplace, Benefits of Social Media, Pitfalls of Social Media. Listen to your customers. You will learn the best quality content for free and earn a course completion certificate. You will learn the management of business online. You will learn to use social media for promotions. You will learn the pitfalls of social media usage. You will learn to build your target audience. The course is for anyone wanting to learn the skill of internet marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about digital marketing, click on the I button. Seventh course, Social Media Marketing in 2023 by YouTube, free course. This course provides you a chance to learn the new age social media marketing from the beginners to the advanced level. Topics covered are social media hacks, Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing, marketing storytelling, the newbie's guide to branding, marketing trends, to dominate, fix your social media content, make paid advertising work, LinkedIn video tips, TikTok marketing. You will gain information about social media marketing trends, you will learn to use social media advertising, you will know about new hacks, you will learn content creation, you will learn to launch and manage online marketing. The course is for anyone interested in learning online marketing from a beginner's level. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.